Watch carefully as this Fairview, North Carolina gentleman receives much needed supplies via a DJI Flycart 30 drone. During the days following Hurricane Helene, they were able to deliver water, baby food, MREs, several different loads of supplies from Best Way Ag. I recently had the opportunity to visit with Jeff Clack with Best Way Ag at the Texas Plant Protection Conference in College Station. And we first talked about licensing, and you can learn more about that in our first video. But we also got to talk about the unique ways that drones are being used in emergency situations. Will you talk about that a little
Absolutely. Bit? So during when Hurricane Helene hit North Carolina, it was obviously very devastating. It continues to be to this day. On the second day after the storm, we mobilized. We had drones, heavy lift, specialized drones that were still in the box that we just got from the manufacturer. So we activated them, got the team ready, and deployed to several places in the storm damage zone in North Carolina. We airlifted about 2 tons of food, water, medical supplies, and baby formula to the people that were completely cut off. So that was probably the best satisfying drone mission that I have ever been on. But also we look at cattle management. We're able to do health checks on cattle with thermal sensors and thermal drones, and we can zoom in, catch the ear tag, spot a problem. We can report that to the ranch. First responders, huge thing. So we were using in the Carolina Operation Mountain Hope. We were flying thermal missions at night. So we were flying day and night, looking for stranded people and recovery. So.